This is Mama Mish, and today in the Magic Kitchen, honey sweet chili chicken. The catch-all New Year greeting for the entire season is Shanah Tova, which means good year. The word ומתוקה and sweet is sometimes appended to the end. I tell people, quite honestly, that I'm Jewish. My momster wasn't very religious and did not keep a kosher kitchen. We didn't usually go to high holy holiday services when I was growing up. Once in a while, we would go to my Orthodox Jewish paternal grandparents' synagogue, which was very austere. I sat upstairs with the women, separated from the men, as tradition dictates. Cue music from Fiddler on the Roof. Tradition! It wasn't really until adulthood, and honestly it was after marriage and having children, that I joined a synagogue, Temple Israel in Memphis, Tennessee. My children went to their preschool, I became an active member of the sisterhood and performed in their Purim spiels and with the Sweet Words of Torah choir. The last Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur that Momster was alive, with her among the congregation, I sang a beautiful solo that Cantor John Kaplan entrusted me to perform. She told me through tears afterwards that she'd never been so proud or heard me sing so beautifully. Somehow singing in Hebrew in front of the bima was quite different than all the clubs and venues she'd seen me perform. It's a special memory I hold dear. You may or may not know that the traditional foods for Rosh Hashanah are sweet, like apples dipped in honey, for example, eaten to ensure a sweet year, and pomegranates for fertility and abundance. Root vegetables and vinegars are usually avoided to keep the bitterness away for the coming year. My momster made a delicious and simple Thai chili chicken that I've zhuzhed up just a little for our family's Rosh Hashanah meal, served with couscous and roasted chickpeas and asparagus. It's simple and easy to cook for a larger crowd as well, so you can enjoy your company and not be in the kitchen cooking all day or night. You should be in temple, ya heathen. To my moms, Shanah Tova, ומתוקה, and to everyone out there supporting us, toda. Thank you for letting Mama Mish make your kitchen magic. This is so delicious. I hope everybody has a sweet new year. Shanah Tova. Let's eat.